Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a makeup tutorial for you guys on this look right here. This makeup look right here is my current 10 to 15 minutes makeup look. This is something that I like to gravitate towards when I don't have a lot of time to get ready, but I still want to look cute and I'm just in a rush. So this is my go-to makeup look, and I really wanted to share this look with you guys because I feel like it's so cute and quick and it'll be really useful to you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I like to create my go-to quick makeup look, and if you guys are interested in knowing what my favorite products are at the moment for my quick everyday makeup routine, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so to start off, I already went ahead and I moisturized my face, so you can go in with any moisturizer of your choice. And now I'm going to jump right into priming. To prime, I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I love putting this all over my face and concentrating it mostly on my T-zone because that is my problem area. So next I'm going to color correct, and I'm only going to go in with just a little bit of product because I want my base to be really thin. So I'm just going to apply a tiny bit on my under eyes, just a teensy bit, you'll see, not too much, and just a little bit on my mouth area, just this area because it is a little bit darker. And I'm actually not going to apply any color corrector on the little acne marks that I have because this is more of a natural look and I'll be usually in a rush. I just like to kind of color correct my hyperpigmentation and then move on to the next step. So I'm just going to slowly blend that out with my finger softly. Just going to go in with a little bit more right in that area and I'll spread that out. So next I'm going to jump right into foundation, and my foundation that I love to use for every day is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I absolutely love this foundation because it's a medium to full coverage foundation, so you can use this for really glam looks and even soft glam everyday type looks. So I love that it's super buildable. That's why I love it for every day. So I'm going to go ahead in and apply this. So I'll just take some on my finger and dot it all over my face and then blend it in with a beauty sponge. Next, I love to jump right into concealing the face, and I love using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. So that's everywhere where I like to apply concealer, and I'm just going to blend it out with a beauty sponge. And to set everything in place, I'm going in with my Mercier translucent setting powder. And just to set the foundation in place before I go in with some powder, blush, and contour, I'm going to use the Mercier setting powder, and I'm just going to set the cheeks in place. And once I'm done kind of setting the cheeks in place, I'll go in and just wipe away the setting powder on the concealer because it's all done kind of setting in place. And I'll also just take the brush and apply a little bit on the lids just so that they're nice and kind of primed. I don't go in with primer on my lids when I'm in a rush. I'll just put a little bit of powder to get rid of any shine. You can see this one is nice and matte, whereas this one is a little bit shiny. So with whatever products on the brush, I just kind of go over top of that area and it nicely kind of cleans it up. Next, I'm going to go ahead in and contour, and to contour I'm using the Nars Laguna bronzer. Usually for everyday quick makeup looks, I typically only contour my face, so only the cheeks. I don't have time to contour my nose. And something else that I like to do with the contour product is dust a little bit of it onto my lids just to add a little bit dimension to the eyes and a little bit of color to the lids. So I'll just take the bronzer on a fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M441, and I'll just dust it back and forth onto the lid. And you can see the difference. This is just adding a little bit more definition to the eyes. Next, I want to add some blush to the face, and my current favorite everyday blush at the moment is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Seduce. I love taking this color on my cheeks and also just a little bit on the tip of my nose for some color. I like to go in with some lip plumping gloss while I do my mascara and my brows, and the lip plumping gloss that I love is the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. So I basically just keep this on my lips and let it do its thing. It adds really nice hydration and nice plumping to the lips, and it just basically gets my lips ready for lipstick. So I love doing this step kind of while I'm doing other things on my face, so it's just getting the lips ready in the meantime. So I have the gloss on. Now I'm gonna go ahead in and do my brows. For brows, I've been loving the Benefit Gimme Brow, and this is in the shade 4. Basically just brush out my brows with this product, and it's such a quick way to get your brows done. I absolutely love this product. So next I'm going to go ahead in and wrap up my eyes, and basically what I like to do is just go in with some mascara, and currently I have been loving the new MAC Stack Mascara. You guys, this mascara is so amazing. You guys are going to see the beautiful results on my eyes right now. I did do a review of this mascara recently on my channel, so if you guys are interested in checking that out, I'll have the link up here and also down below in the description box for you guys. Here is a difference between the mascara and no mascara. You guys can see it's beautiful. So I'm going to quickly do the other eye off camera and then we will continue. So next I want to wrap up my lips. I'm going to go ahead in and take off the gloss because it's all done kind of doing its thing on my lips. Alright, lips look nice and prepped and ready to go. They feel super soft and they're nice and plump. So I like to go in with some lip liner next, and the lip liner that I've been loving is the ColourPop Lippie Pencil in the shade BFF4. And for lipstick, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipstick in the shade Supermodel. And lastly, I like to go in and set everything in place with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for my current go-to everyday 10 to 15 minutes makeup routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything that I used today on my face will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. If you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And if you guys have suggestions on any videos you would like to see from me, make sure to comment down below and let me know, and I'll definitely try and follow up on those. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!